Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money to your Thinkorswim account. First, you'll need to understand the various deposit methods available, such as electronic transfers or mailing a check. It's important to choose the method that best suits your needs and timeline. Always double-check your bank account information to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. This initial step is crucial for setting up your trading funds correctly. Electronic transfers are a popular and efficient way to fund your account. You can typically initiate an ACH transfer directly from your bank's online portal, which usually takes a few business days. For quicker access to funds, a wire transfer is an option, though it might involve a small fee from your bank. Always confirm the routing and account numbers for Thinkorswim to avoid any delays or issues with your deposit. If you prefer, you can also fund your Thinkorswim account by mailing a personal check or a cashier's check. Remember that this method generally takes longer, as the check needs to be received and then cleared by the bank. Be sure to include your account number on the check. Additionally, you might be able to transfer funds directly from another brokerage account, offering another convenient way to consolidate your investments. Before you start trading, always review any daily deposit limits that might apply to your account type. It's also crucial to confirm that your funds have fully settled and are available for trading to avoid any unexpected restrictions. Remember, patience is key when waiting for transfers to complete. And hey, if you're looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.